Okay, now I'll talk about types of forces. First of all, uh, forces can be broadly classified as contact forces and non contact forces. So it can be contact forces or non contact forces, right? Now, contact forces are various types. See, for example, first tell me, suppose there is a table, okay? Oh, so good in drawing, no, what to say? Suppose there is a table, okay, and on the table is kept a box. Now, do you think that the table is applying any force on the box? Yes, it is applying force on the box. Why? I'll tell you. First of all, you have to understand that whenever you leave any object, it tends to fall down. Any object falls down. Why? Why any object falls down? Due to the force of gravity. Force of gravity. Now, suppose for example, there is a ball, and attached to the ball is a rope. Attached to the ball is a rope. Suppose one boy is here, which is pulling the ball this side. Another boy is here, which is pulling the ball this side. If this boy in this direction is applying 10 Newton force, and this boy in this direction is also applying 10 Newton force, will the ball move? No. These are known as balanced forces. These are known as what? Balanced forces. Whenever balanced forces act on any body, the body remains at rest. Whenever balanced forces act on any object, the body remains at rest. It may be so that the object is being pulled this side, 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 but there should be equal and opposite forces from all the sides. These are also called equilibrium forces. These are also known as equilibrium forces. Balanced forces are also called equilibrium forces. However, whenever we observe any object moving, changing shape, changing velocity, remember you are applying unbalanced forces. You are applying unbalanced forces. Only then, suppose if the boy was applying 11 Newton force and if this boy was applying 10 Newton force, the body would have moved in this direction and the force would be 1 Newton overall force. In that way. So whenever you see any effect of force, remember you are observing what? Unbalanced forces. But here, at first people will think that no force is there. Okay, no force is there because you cannot see the effect of the force. But actually balanced force is there. Why? I will tell you. If the table wouldn't be there, the object would fall down. It will fall down due to force of gravity. Due to force of gravity. The table staying applies equal and opposite force to the force of gravity, and hence the body stays there. The table applies opposite force to the force of gravity. Understood? Now this is a contact force, I can say that. And the force of gravity is a non-contact force. Sir, how can you say that? Because without touching you, the earth is pulling you towards itself. It's a non-contact force. So non-contact forces are gravitational forces. Non-contact forces are magnetic forces, and non-contact forces are electrostatic forces. These three are there. Electrostatic forces are those forces due to which one positive and negative charged particle attract each other, one negative and negatively charged particle repel each other. You know, in north magnet, north pole attract, repel, north pole, south pole attract. All these things you have learned in junior classes. For that, do they need to touch the body? So that's why they are called non-contact forces. Gravitational force is also non-contact force. And contact forces is if I touch and throw you out of this class, I have to hold your hand or hold your hairs, right or wrong, then that is contact force. Golf ball, cricket ball, everything is contact force. Car, moving car, everything is contact force. Non-contact forces are only these three. So I hope with this example, the contact forces, non-contact forces, concept of balanced forces, non-balanced forces, everything is clear, right?